Hey guys, welcome to SavinABuck today. Welcome to the channel. Today the wifey has got something planned for me to make for her, so this is what we're going to start with today. Please stay tuned, like and hit the subscribe button for us, and let's see what we can make. Alright, so first of all, we're going to drill a little hole in this extra pole we have here. And we're going to insert this little eye bolt. We're going to weld it on. That way we can tighten up and remove this umbrella pole if we ever want to switch it out. And we're going to pour it in concrete here and put some nice little decoration rocks in it, or maybe some flowers. That's yet to be whatever she would like. Got to make the wife happy. So spot and drill some little hole here. Alright, day 2 guys, and we're checking that the concrete looks like it's set up pretty good. We're going to add some flowers and some gravel, and you put the umbrella in there and tighten it up, see how it works. Alright, let's try out our okay, tighten it up, can't go nowhere. Alright. And there you have it. A very cool umbrella stand for the ladies to have outside. Pretty cool project. Really like it. If you like this video, please like and hit the subscribe button, and we'll make some more videos here to come. Thanks. Do-it-yourself project. Cheap, efficient, and the women love it. Sorry we're building this in the garage, it's just too cold outside right now.